Banking vocabulary, let's learn some banking words. What is a bank? A bank is a place where you can keep your money and get it when you need it. What is money? Money is what people use to buy things like coins and bills. What are bills? Bills are paper money. What are coins? Coins are small, round pieces of metal used as money. What is currency? Currency is the type of money used in a particular country. What is a check? A check is a piece of paper that you write an amount of money on to pay for something. What is a credit card? A credit card is a card that lets you buy things without using cash right away. What is a debit card? A debit card is a card that takes money directly from your bank account when you buy something. What is a card chip? A chip is a small part in a credit card that stores information to make payments more secure. What is an ATM? An ATM is a machine outside a bank where you can take out or put in money. What is a teller? A teller is the person who serves you at a bank. What does to withdraw money mean? To withdraw money means to take money out of the bank. What does to deposit money mean? To deposit money means to put money into the bank. What is a signature? A signature means you sign something and agree to something. That's it. Now you know a lot of banking vocabulary.